Hello friends, welcome to another YouTube video. My name is Aryan and welcome to my YouTube channel Aryan Vashisth. In this video, we are going to learn an amazing security hack that you can enable in your phone right away. So this security hack is that your password will keep on updating and it will be with time. For example, right now the time is 8:10 p.m. So my password of the phone will be 0810. And now if I open it at 12:13 p.m. so the password will be 1213. So this is how this works, and this can help you a lot. For example, if you if you have a friend beside you and you open your phone in front of your friend, and that your friend sees your password, and now without even changing, you can keep on updating your password automatically related to time. So according to time, you can always change your password, and that too automatically. Your phone will automatically change it. And now when your friend will enter that same password and think that, wow, I have got access to this phone, but the phone will not open because actually the time is the main affecting source here. So now let us see how this can be done. Okay, so first you have to go to Play Store, and here you have to install an app called Screen Lock Time Password, and I have it installed on my phone, so I click on open. And for example, right now by default this enable lock option will be actually disabled. And for example, now I will uninstall this app again and show you that you have to give all the permissions. Okay, so now I'm uninstalling this app and this app is removed. And now don't worry, this app will install very fast on my mobile phone. So now screen lock time, you have to just type this and you have the app right over here. And now I install this app. So now right now you can see that the app is installed, and I click on open. So now this is the app interface, and now it will ask you for some permissions and you have to click on allow. And now you have to click on enable lock, and now you have to click on allow and draw over other apps. So you have to search for this app, Screen Lock Time Password, and you have to enable draw over other apps. Okay, and now you can enable the lock. And now you have to answer a recovery passcode. For example, if you forget, if you don't actually know the time, so you can set up an emergency recovery passcode. So you can select anything: where were you born, what was your childhood nickname, etc. So I'm selecting where were you born. So now I have entered the recovery passcode, and now you can see this enable lock is enabled right now. And now I'm telling you something, and listen to that very carefully. When you close your phone, first you need to enter your default password. Okay, so first is this step, that you need to enter your default password, which is already in your phone, which means which you have set in the settings. And now after that you have to enter the time also. So now I'll show you how this works. For example, now I lock my phone and then I open it again. And now first I have to enter my default password, and as soon as I entered my own password, and now I'm having this interface, and now I have to slide to unlock, and now you have to enter the time. So I guess the time is 8:16. Oh, is it 8:70? Wait a minute, 2017. Wait a minute, first. Okay, so it's 8:18 p.m. So 8:18, and now you can see that the phone is opened. Isn't it amazing? If you like the video, friends, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of the new technical videos that I regularly upload on my YouTube channel for you all. Bye bye, friends. See you in the next video.